Copybook stuff really in the market today. Low volume trade, extremely volatile, large cap outperformance, mid cap underperformance. It was there in the data. I mean, you could see it at the start of the day that you could have this kind of a day where intraday trading is going to be tough. Where you won't have one particular trend, but at least you'll have one trend, which is that the mid caps would underperform. And that is what happened in trade today. And honestly, that's the one trade which could go on for some more time. Let's talk about the stocks. Before we do that, actually, the Bank Nifty that also hit or almost hit a new 52-week low. Let's talk about the stocks then that led the market higher today. Infosys clearly is the cheerleader for the bulls now. It's within 2% of a lifetime high, and that stock did well. Larsen & Toubro as well had smart recovery, and Tata Motors was up about 1.5%. Apart from that, big gains really came in commodity stocks led by metals. So Vedanta was up 10%, Cairn was up 6%, and ONGC was up about close to 3%. Some other gainers included names like Tata Power ahead of numbers, up 4%. Asian Paints, one of the strongest stocks, up 3%, and Power Grid as well was up 2.5%. In terms of stocks losing ground today, you had Lupin, which was down 3%. Idea was down 3% at 100 now. It was 200 last year. And NTPC was down about 2%. Outside the index, the sector that really stood out today was aviation. Interglobe was down 4%. In fact, it's threatening to go to its IPO price now. SpiceJet down 8% and Jet Airways was down 6%. The other mid-cap sector of the day was pharma, led by Wockhardt. That was down about 11%. Other losers today included Arvind, down about 4%, and Reliance Infra down about 6%. So it remains volatile. Tomorrow's Friday, and it could mean another round of volatility, at least in the mid-caps.
That's right. Like we said, volatility seems to be the only constant, not just